The Greenlee School and Iowa State University are honored to host and introduce our speaker, Rosemarie Aquilina. We are so grateful that she is our featured guest for First Amendment Day. In the course of her career, Rosemarie has been a journalist, practitioner, attorney, professor, soldier, survivor advocate, author, and chef. She earned a Bachelor's of Art degree in English and Journalism from Michigan State University. And she also worked as campaign manager for State Senator John F. Kelly and then as a partner in his lobbying firm. Rosemarie formed her own law firm and practiced for several years with her sister Helen. She joined the Michigan Army National Guard and became the state's first female member of the Judge Advocate General's Corps. She served in the National Guard for 20 years before retiring. She is adjunct professor at Western Michigan Cooley Law School and Michigan State University College of Law. Rosemarie has published 3 novels, All Rise, Triple Cross Killer, Feel No Evil. She has also written a memoir titled Just Watch Me, her slogan when people tell her she can't do something. In 2019, she was the star guest of the Malta Book Festival, a prestigious honor for any author and personally special for Judge Aquilina. Like me, she is Maltese-American. Her surname, Aquilina, is the 27th most common on the archipelago. My grandmother was an Aquilina. By the way, Pichea is the 25th most common name. Rosemarie's family hails from Greenlee, a small village in the southern part of Malta, a few miles across azure water from my own ancestral home of On Salem on the sister island of Gozo. If you're looking for Mediterranean recipes, check out her website, Rosemarie's Kitchen. Rosemarie is here at Iowa State in all those capacities and one more as judge. In 2004, she was elected judge of the 55th Michigan District Court, and in 2008 to the 30th District Court, where she still serves. In 2018, Judge Aquilina presided over the USA Gymnastics sex abuse scandal case. She allowed more than 156 sister survivors to give personal testimony about USA Olympics gymnastics team doctor Larry Nassar. She sentenced Nassar to 60 to 175 years in prison for thousands of incidents of abuse spanning more than 2 decades. In sentencing, she stated, "I want you to know, as much as it was my honor and privilege to hear the survivors, it is my honor and privilege to sentence you. Sir, I am giving you 175 years, which is 2,100 months. I have just signed your death warrant." This is an example of retributive justice or punishment for wrongdoing. But for survivors, often this is insufficient. This brings us to another type of justice. Rosemarie Aquilina practiced in the Nassar case, restorative justice. My own research has explored why her decisions on the bench in that case are so vitally important. In addition to upholding the rule of law, she gave survivor sisters a sense of narrative justice. Judge Aquilina not only sought to restore that empowerment, she still practices that empowerment as well. Narrative justice also relates to inequality, gender, race, individual rights, privacy, judicial and criminal wrongdoing, the rule of law, and the public good. Please help me welcome Judge Rosemarie Aquilina, our First Amendment Day featured speaker. Thank you.